test, monitor, and report the COVID-19 coronavirus positive testing persons, and we will generate an e-pass for the person using face recognition technique. As you know, the coronavirus is RNA-based virus and about 120 nanometer in diameter. Coronavirus mutation time is normally 14 days. First 4 days are very important to detect the infected person so that he can be isolated. If any infected person contacts to non-infected person, virus will infect all person who have contacted to infected person. So it is very difficult task to stop the spread of coronavirus into other person. So it is very important to trace out the person in early stage. In all industries like school, college, and other organizations, there are more than 100 persons contacts to each other. Uh, for these organizations, it is very tough job to track each and every person, capture their temperature daily, maintain history of every person working in organization. Further, organization leaders or other person, decision maker, how to know how to make ensure that every person is checked and tested in entry of the person into the office. There is also a big problem that how we can get the how many people are tested today and how much persons are left out for the testing. To overcome these problems, I have developed a EMR e-pass system using face recognition system with EMGU CV framework. In this system, we can generate the passes for every person for 3 or 5 days. So basically the basic requirement for this system is you have a CPU with i3, 4 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk, webcam or digital camera. Webcam is any web camera that you have, and non-infrared thermometer through which you will capture the temperature of person who is coming into your office. These two hardwares are extra requirements for the system. First, and the software for which it is developed is Windows 7 32-bit .NET framework. I am using this SAP Crystal Reports and SQL Server 2014. Now we will see how system will work. First, client will register into this software. Then email and their mobile number will be the password. And after login, the user will register the person with face recognition, enter their personal details, generate e-pass by detecting the persons, and like this. We can also see update the faces. And last, these are the person who are registered in the system. We can see the tested person who have tested today, and also can see the list of persons whose license has been e-pass has been expired. So this is how we can create we can use this system. Now I am showing you how we will use this system in live demonstration. So I am just going to open my system. For this, first of all, what you have to do, to this. So you can see here it create the my ePass COVID-19 ePass, in which you can see my current photograph, company logo, company name, address, dated on which it will be created, and a bar reader you can use to trace out this detail is also stored in this image. So this is how we can create the COVID e-pass into our system. Now you will see some reports that you can view from here. First off, we can see here registered person registered. There are 4 total person that has been registered into our system. Person tested report, we can see persons tested reports here. Arav, e-pass expired. How much people are there whose e-pass has been expired? We can also print e-pass according to dates. How much e-pass is print here? There are 2 e-pass totally here. We can print this from here. List of persons. Individual pass can be printed from here at last. These are reports we can use here. Person tracking, we can also track the person's history. Suppose I want to check the person history of ST1, we can get the person tracking history from here. So this is the person who have all their details can be seen here. Just now I also check one person, Mr. Arav. See, I want to generate e-pass for this person. So I'm click here on the new. To detect this person. Now I am storing his travel history. No. Current temperature, the save. Now I am going to print pass and it will generate a pass for this person also. After making this, you can see the person tested is 3 and expired for us is only 2. So are also in this one. This is how we can use this e-pass for COVID-19 management system. So you are requested to subscribe our channel, and you can get this project from shinytechnologies.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks. Our first step is to register our organization into the system. For that purpose, you have to click on first screen, that is login screen. In this screen, there is options to register your firm into the system. Just going to start our application. This system is using .NET Framework 4.0, Windows 32-bit operating system, SQL Server 2014, and Crystal reports. So to register your system, you first click on register here, black screen. If you are already registered, then your organization detail will be there, and if you are new, then click on new and write your all details here. Your logo that will be print on ePass will be add here, so you can add your logo in PNG format into the system. These email address, mobile numbers are compulsory field, because your email address will be your login, and first your password will be your mobile number. So here you will register your organization. After registration, you will log in into the system with your email ID, and first your password will be your mobile number. After first login, you can change this password. You are login in this system. I have registered 4 persons. Today tested person is 0, and e-pass expired is 3 persons. So first step is to register face here. Here you will register face of the person. My code is ST1. I can register my face here just like this. Add face, just like this. Add face. You should. I will suggest you to register 10 faces of a person into the system, so that it will give you more and more accuracy. So I have registered here 4 faces. I have already registered, so I am not going to give here. Here, when you add face of a new person, then you can save their details here. Person name is male, gender, mobile address, city, pin, state, and any diseases if he has already. This information will be saved here, just like this. You can also add, if I click here, this it will regenerate, it will check my details here. You can see on this icon ST1 is there. ST1 already saved here. I can change my name, mobile, and everything here, or add faces, more add faces from there also. This is how we can update our detail or add new persons into the system. After this, we will generate an e-pass. So generating the e-pass, just click on new. It will detect me in the system and automatically get my details from the database. Yes, I am SC1 and it get me. There is non-system travel history. I say here no. Current temperature, this will be calculated. You will get from the IR thermometer. Here is, you can say how many days I will get the pass. Now save these details. It will save into your system, local system. This data is stored into your local system, so there is no need go stored successfully. And I click on here this print pass. When we click on print pass, it will generate a crystal report and print the pass. First time it will take a little bit time, as this report